In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Stripe Publishable Key and Secret Key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find both your test and live keys, what they're used for, and how to keep them secure. First, log into your Stripe account. Once you are in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Developers. This opens up the Developer Tools section designed for API access. From there, choose API Keys. This page is your central place for managing all your keys. At the top right, you'll see a test mode toggle. Turn it on to view your sandbox keys. Test keys are clearly labeled with PK test for publishable and SK test for secret. These are safe for development and testing, and they won't charge real cards. They're perfect for building and verifying your integration before you go live. When you are ready to check your production credentials, switch test mode off. This reveals your live keys, which use the prefixes PK Live and SK Live. If you haven't activated your account yet, Stripe will prompt you to complete your business details before you can access live keys. Your publishable key is visible right away under the Standard Keys section. Click the value to copy it. This key is intended for client-side use, like Stripe, JS or mobile SDKs, and it's safe to expose in the browser because it can't perform sensitive actions on its own. For the secret key, in test mode, click Reveal Test Key to see the full string. In live mode, click Reveal Live Key. Important note: Stripe only shows live secret keys once. Copy it immediately and store it securely, such as in a password manager or an environment variable on your server. If you lose it, you'll need to roll or regenerate the key and update your application to use the new value. Treat your secret key like a password. Never include it in client-side code, mobile apps, or public repositories. Keep it on your server, use environment variables, and restrict who can access it. For even stronger security, consider using a restricted API key instead of the main secret key. Restricted keys let you limit permissions to exactly what your application needs, reducing risk if a key is ever exposed. That's it. Go to Developers. Open API Keys. Use the test mode toggle to switch between Sandbox and Live. Copy your publishable key. Reveal and securely store your secret key and keep it private. Thanks for watching.